guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today is super awesome because I'm doing a collab with Kristin Stepp. If you're subscribed to me, I'm sure you're subscribed to her. If not, you need to get over to her channel like right now. She has such awesome content. Her What's for Dinner videos are always amazing and totally on point. I get inspiration from them all the time, and I just love like all her videos. I'm like so obsessed with her channel. She has like this like gorgeous little family. She's just awesome. If you're here from Kristin's channel, hi and welcome. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel. I really hope you guys like what you see and you'll stick around with me. Let's go ahead and get into some awesome treats, you guys. So first up are some Rice Krispie treats. These are super cool, these strawberry Krispies. I don't remember whose grocery haul I saw these on, but I went looking for them and I'm so happy I found them, and I'm gonna make some awesome Rice Krispie treats with them. So basically I just followed the recipe on the back of the box, you guys. I do add extra marshmallows like while I'm cooking these ones together because I feel like there's just never enough, and I feel like I'm always like crushing the Rice Krispies trying to get all the marshmallow around it. So I go ahead and add a little bit more, like probably like another cup of marshmallows, and then I go ahead and add some towards the end as well. So yeah, this is just the recipe on the back of the box, but I'll try to find it in like Pinterest form and link it below. So just a heads up, you guys, these really do taste like strawberry. Like when we tasted these, they taste very much like strawberry. So if you don't really like strawberry, I would definitely just use the regular ones and then just put the little pink food coloring in the marshmallows at the stage where they're all melted with the butter. But I thought they were delicious because I love strawberry flavored stuff, but definitely just wanted to kind of point that out. They really do taste like strawberry. Alright, so these are going to just go cool in the fridge for a little bit, probably maybe an hour, and then I'll pop out the foil and lay it down on the counter, and then I'll just cut up my squares. So the second thing I'm going to make is some like sweet Chex Mix. I'm going to be making that with some M&M's, white chocolate, really actual tiny like Chex Mix pretzels that I found that are super cute, and some corn Chex. So this is going to go in the fridge again for like an hour as well, just to kind of harden up that chocolate and make sure everything is kind of stuck together. And then I'll go ahead and break it into smaller pieces and serve it that way. Okay, so this is literally the easiest one. I definitely took a cheat / shortcut with these fudge covered Oreos. Usually I would chocolate dip them myself and then wait till they dried and then put the little decorations on top, which by the way, you guys, I definitely went a little crazy and super overboard, so I apologize for that. I was just, you know, getting in the moment and kind of got away with myself. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spread these out on a sheet pan and melt up some chocolate, put a little bit of food coloring in there. I had red, so I just did a little bit less to make pink. And yeah, I went ahead and drizzled the chocolate over the already chocolate covered Oreos. So like I said, definitely went super overboard, but I'm sorry. These are gonna go in the fridge to chill for about an hour. And this is what everything looks like. They played it up really pretty. I think everything looked great. Everything tasted great. Of course, I have my official taste tester, so everybody definitely approved and thought they were delicious. I'm actually going to be mailing a lot of this out to Josh's family in New York, so hopefully with all this cold, nothing's going to melt. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much again for joining me, and everybody from Kristin's channel, thank you so much for joining me. I hope everybody has a blessed and awesome week, and also happy Valentine's Day.